Hello friends. Get ready to witness the magic of artificial intelligence in action.
Hi. My name is Lisa, and I am your personal gym instructor. I am here to guide you on your fitness journey and help you achieve your goals. I am dedicated to providing you with the support and expertise you need. It's a pleasure to meet you, and I'm thrilled to be your personal gym instructor on this exciting fitness journey.
Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am back again with another very exciting video that showcases the power of AI. In my today's video, we first generate some high resolution images of a state-of-the-art gym by using Loveload.ai.com, an innovative tool that generates high resolution images to meet the specific creative needs of the creators. So whether you are a graphic designer, a marketer, or a content creator, or simply someone who is looking for a high resolution visuals, BlueWillow is the choice. It offers a wide range of features and capabilities to assist you. After we have created the high resolution images from the BlueWillow, it's time to add life in it. So I'm going to use an AI avatar as a presenter, and for that purpose I'm going to use the Kreado.ai.com. Kreado.ai is a video generation tool that produces multilingual oral videos using AI. With its simple interface, users can effortlessly create high-resolution videos in a fraction of the time compared to traditional video production methods. But before we going to start the video, it is requested to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all of my latest content. So let's start. So first of all, I'm going to open the BlueWillow.ai. It is an amazing tool to generate the high resolution images. I'm going to click this join the free beta. I've already have an account here, but if you are new to using the BlueWillow, you will have to first create your account. There you will have to go to the sign in option and providing all your details, including your email address, your name and other details. Then you can use this amazing tool. I'm going to accept this invite, and it has connected me to the Discord server. Now I want to create some images of a state-of-the-art gym. I'm going to use it in my video. I'm joining group 12. I'm going to write my prompt here. To write a prompt, you will have to enter the slash, then imagine, and then write your complete prompt. Now I want to have a high quality image. It should be 8K and the aspect ratio should be 3:2. Now let's see what we get. The best thing about BlueWillow is that you can use these amazing images created by the other users, and if you like them, you can use in your project as well. There is a collection of amazing creations by the other users here. So it is going to take some time and we will have to wait for our images to generate. It has created these images. These are the images of the gym. Now I'm going to upscale one of these. I like the first one, so I'm pressing the U1 and it is going to upscale the scene for me. So that's it. I'm going to use this for my video. I'm going to save this image. Now after we have created the high resolution images using the BlueWillow, it's time to add life by using the AI avatar as a presenter, and for that purpose we are going to use the Kreado.ai.com. I'm going to use it and I'm going to create a video using these characters, these avatars. This is a very good website on which we can create our videos. So let's take the first character. I'm going to paste my script here. So let's copy the script first. I'm going to copy the script and I'm going to paste it here, and in between I'm going to add some intervals. And now let's hear the auditions.
Hi, my name is Marie and I am your personal gym instructor. I am here to help you achieve your fitness goals.
I can choose from the different language styles. I can use these also. So let's choose this excited and play now.
Hi, my name is Marie and I am your personal gym instructor.
That's better, it's looking nice. Now what I'm going to do here is to click here on this generate video, and it is going to generate the video within 10 minutes. So let's wait 10 minutes. So now let's check. So finally our video is completed, and now we can use this video to complete our main video. First let's check by playing this video. Let's hear.
Hi, my name is Marie and I am your personal gym instructor. I am here to help you achieve your fitness goals and guide you on your fitness journey. Together, we'll create personalized workout plans.
And now I will use this video to complete my main video. So for that I need to open the Filmora, and I'm going to edit this with the images I have just downloaded from BlueWillow. So let's open the Filmora, but before that I'm going to download this video to my PC. So let's wait until the video is downloaded. So it is downloaded now. Now let's open the Filmora and I'm going to edit it. Now I'm going to download the images that I am going to use for the video. I'm going to use this image as a background. Just extend it to the duration of my video. I'm going to place my video here. Now I'm going to use the chroma so that I can banish this screen color.
My name is Marie and I am your personal gym instructor.
Now I'm going to export it, and I'm going to save my video.
Hi, my name is Marie and I am your personal gym instructor. I am here to help you achieve your fitness goals and guide you on your fitness journey. Together, we'll create personalized workout plans, focusing on exercises that suit your needs and preferences. We'll work on improving your strength, endurance, flexibility, and overall fitness, whether you're a beginner or have prior experience.
So that's all. That's it for the video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing my channel and hitting the notification bell so that you stay updated with my latest content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.